Okay, here we'll be looking at solving exponential equations now with a base of e. So as we recall, if it's the base e, then we're going to simply ln on both sides. Again, ln is logarithm natural, or log base e. What that does is it cancels this base e, and we'll be left with just the exponent. So we got 8 sample problems. Solve each of the following, round to the nearest thousand. E to the x equals 12. Got our base e, so we're going to ln on both sides. Of course, ln is the same thing as log base e. First couple situations, I'm going to have the log e. What this does, our exponent comes out in front. We're left with x log e base e equals log 12 base e. That log e base e cancels out, leaving me with just x. Into the calculator goes ln 12. So let's see what ln 12 is. Cancel this. Let's clear this out. So ln 12 gives us 2.48 some stuff. That's a strange looking number, so let's go ahead and just check this. So e to the second answer, bam, there's our 12. So 2.485 if we round appropriately, 2.485. Next problem, e to the negative x. Again, to get rid of the e, we'll ln on both sides. The entire exponent comes in front. So we're left with negative x ln e equals ln 22. The ln e cancels out, leaving me with just the negative x. Into our calculator. Nope, not yet. We still got to get rid of this negative. Divide both sides by negative 1. And again, that doesn't say 22 divided by negative 1. That's the entire ln 22. That leaves us with negative ln 22. Now it's time to go to the calculator. So negative ln 22. Negative 3 point some stuff. Let's go and check that. So e to the negative second answer. There's our 22. So our answer is negative 3.091. Negative 3.091. Next, e to the x minus 5 equals 19. So here we'll first take care of the 5, then we'll deal with the e. We'll add 5 on both sides. 19 plus 5 gives us 24. Now it's time to take care of that e. We'll ln on both sides. The exponent comes out in front. X ln e equals ln 24. Ln e cancels, left with just ln 24. Alright, let's see what ln 24 equals. Again, if you were asked to give the exact answer as opposed to a rounded, the exact answer would be ln 24. So let's go ahead and find an approximate answer. ln 24, 3.178, some stuff. Let's check ourselves. So e to the second answer, move the cursor over, minus 5. There's our 19. So 3.178. 178. Next problem, e to the x minus 4. Between these two numbers, and again, e is a number. It's not a letter, it is a number. So between these two, what's furthest from the unknown is the e. That's why we'll first ln on both sides. The entire x plus 4 comes out in front, leaves us with x plus 4 ln e. Ln e cancels. There's our x plus 4. Subtract 4 on both sides. Again, that's not 41 minus 4. It's ln 41. ln 41 minus 4. Let's see what we get. ln 41, ln 41, close the parentheses, minus 4. Calculator says negative 0.286 some stuff. Let's go ahead and check. E to the answer, x plus 4. Bam, there's our 41. So negative 0.286. 286. All right, a couple more. E to the negative 3x equals 1. E to some power equals 1. This should equal 0. But let's keep working. First thing we got to get rid of is this e. Well, ln on both sides. The entire negative 3x comes out in front. Negative 3x, ln e. That ln e cancels, leaving us with negative 3x equals ln 1. Ln 1. Divide by negative 3 on both sides. We're left with x equals ln 1 over negative 3. Calculator tells us, should tell us 0, but let's see. Ln 1, just to show ln 1, we're supposed to know that equals 0. Because e to what power equals 1 to the 0. But I'll keep going. Ln 1 divided by negative 3. Of course, it's still 0. So, x equals 0. And again, early on, we could have seen that if ln 1, if we knew earlier, was equal to 0, then that means this would have been 0 over negative 3, which would have still given us 0. Next problem. E to the 6x minus 1 equals 17. What's furthest from the unknown is the e, ln on both sides. The entire 6x minus 1 comes out in front, leaving us with 6x minus 1 ln e. That ln e cancels out, so we're really just left with the exponent. 6x minus 1, we'll add 1 on both sides, leaving us with 6x equals ln 17 plus 1. I keep saying it, but I'm emphasizing that we're not adding 1 to 17. We're adding 1 to the entire ln 17. Now, to get rid of the 6, let's divide by 6. So we're left with x equals ln 17 plus 1 all over 6. What I have here in green would be the exact answer, but they want us to round. So we'll go ahead and see what we get. So we've got, let's clear this up. It's my fraction, so ln 17, close my parentheses, plus 1, and we get all over 6. Calculator tells us 0.638-ish. Let's go and check first. So second e to the 6, second answer, minus 1. Let's see what we get. Bam, there's a 17. So it looks like our answer is 0.639. 0.639. All right, I think 2 more. E to the 11x plus 2 minus 9 equals negative 2. So we've got 1, 2, let's go, don't want to do that yet. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers to get rid of. What's furthest from the unknown is the 9. That's why I am adding 9 on both sides. Left with the e to the 11x plus 2. Now it's time to deal with the e, so we'll ln on both sides. The entire 11x plus 2 comes in front, leaving us with 11x plus 2, ln e equals ln 7. ln e cancels, leaving us with 11x plus 2. Let's go ahead and subtract 2 on both sides, leaving us with ln 7 minus 2, again not 5, divide by 11 on both sides. X equals ln 7 minus 2 all over 11. That would be the exact answer. Let's see what the calculator says. What is that? Let's clear this. Fraction. ln 7, close parentheses, minus 2. All of this is over 11. And we get an answer of negative 0.0049 some stuff. Well, let's check. That answer looks real funny. So, e to the 11, answer, plus 2. Move our cursor over, minus 9. Bam, there's the negative 2. So our answer looks like it's negative 0.005. 005. All right, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things to get rid of. So we'll first take care of this 6 by subtracting 6 on both sides. That leaves us with the e to the 4x minus 3. Time to deal with the e. Let's go ahead and ln on both sides. the entire 4x minus 3 comes over. So you're starting to see that's really all we're going to be left with is the 4x minus 3. Add 3 on both sides. 4x equals ln 2 plus 3. Again, we're not adding these two numbers. Simply divide by 4 on both sides. There's our answer. Here's the exact answer. Let's go find the approximation. Cancel that. ln 2. Let's do this first. There we go. ln 2, close parentheses, plus 3, all over 4. 2, 3, 4. 0.923-ish. Let's check that. So e to the for answer minus 3. Move the cursor over. Plus 6. Bam. There's the 8. So 0.923. 0.923. So that's 8 practice problems. So what you'll now do are these 8 independent problems.